Hi friends, in this video I'll be testing autofocus performance of Canon R series camera, mirrorless camera with EF-EOS lens and Canon EF-EOS R mount adapter. So here I am using this EF-EOS 55 to 250 mm lens. This lens I have connected to this EOS R50 mirrorless camera using this mount adapter. This is EF-EOS R mount adapter. Let me test autofocus in this video mode. Let me turn on this camera. Okay. Let me start the recording. Press this button. See, recording has started. So let me check the autofocus performance. See. See, it's performing well. Okay, so this is the performance. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video.